What's up, guys? It's your girl Roxanne
and Crystal.
Today we're here to do the new summer blizzards from Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
So excited! Can't wait to try them. They all look so good. Like when you see them on the picture, they're a little bit melted right now because, you know, we had to drive all the way and get them and come back.
Yeah.
So, but we're going to give these a rating and let you guys know if they're good or bad.
Yeah. We're going to give you our honest review for you guys.
And if you guys are just tuning in right now, go head over to our channel, subscribe, and watch our videos.
Yeah, and follow our other social medias.
So, let's get into this. We got these little minis, because we don't need that much.
How do we know which one?
I don't know. We're not going to know until we try it. So, do you want to read them all?
Well, we have the Brownie Blizzard. So
that's probably this one.
Probably that one, yeah. And then we have the Nestle Drumstick with the Pecan Blizzard.
I think that's this one.
And then we have the Cotton Candy.
Cotton Candy, I think, is this one.
And then the Girl Guide Chocolate Mint Cookie.
That looks like Girl Guide chocolate.
We didn't get the Raspberry Fudge.
Yeah,
or that one is. Oh, okay.
The Raspberry.
Yeah.
Let me see, is it called?
Raspberry Fudge Blizz.
Oh, okay. So let's try these. How do you want to do it? We're both gonna try this one.
Yeah.
This is a brownie. What?
What did I say? I already forgot. Like, holy. Brownie batter.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah. I got some pretty good chunks of brownies in there. It's like really good.
That is good.
Yeah.
Man, I hope they don't just freaking continue these things.
Yeah. I hate when they do that. They bring something out and they let us all try it and we get so in love with these new flavors and we're like, oh, we really want to get this again. And then like they don't have them anymore.
I hate when they do that.
So like we're doing a review right now and we hope that Dairy Queen watches this because you guys need to keep these blizzards when we try them.
Yeah. Hashtag Dairy Queen.
Yeah. This one's that drumstick one.
I don't know, is it? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. There's like a drumstick.
What's with that? Like a drumstick reminds me of like a chicken drumstick. That's what it reminds me of.
I like the little,
like a drumstick.
You know when you buy the cone of ice cream at the store, the drumsticks? Yeah, but it's all knocked up into a blizzard.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah, they're drumsticks. Yeah, you can buy them in the store too. Food Basics usually has good sales on those little 4-packs of drumsticks. Yeah, and then there's caramel in the middle sometimes, you know?
Yeah.
It's good, eh? Cotton candy. Let's try this one. I wonder if it's going to be too sweet. Like really sweet.
They're all sweet.
Yeah, I know, but cotton candy?
Yeah, it's going to be really sweet. Probably good though.
Yeah, it's like chunks of chocolate. I mean, candy.
It's cotton candy.
Hey, look, actual chunks of like, well, not chunks, but little tiny
Cotton candy.
pieces of candy.
I like this one.
That one's good. Yeah. That one's actually really good.
Yeah.
It's like little
really
candies, like if you guys know, you guys buy the little candy things that you can get from the store that you put in your mouth and they all pop. And they all pop in your mouth. That's like little candies that are in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like little tiny ones. That was good. Feel like
Girl Guide? The Girl Guide one?
Cotton candy one. That was my favorite so far. What's that one again?
Girl Guide Mint.
Oh, the Girl Guide Mint. You don't like it? The Girl Guide cookies. Remember the Girl Guide cookies, guys? Oh, those Girl Guide cookies are so good. Now they made a Blizzard. Actually, I don't really like the mint Girl Guide cookies. I like the other Girl Guide cookies, like the chocolate and vanilla ones.
I don't know if I like that one. I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. It's the
It
actual.
tastes like dark chocolate.
It's the actual.
Yeah.
It is the actual Girl Guide mint cookie inside here.
I
Yeah,
don't like it.
the mint's
What do
okay.
you think?
The Girl Guide mint. I don't really like the Girl Guide mint cookies that much, but the Blizzard, it tastes good. I like that. It tastes good in the Blizzard.
This one is raspberry fudge blizz.
Raspberry fudge. Raspberry fudge. It's probably
No.
like,
I know.
you don't like it?
No.
Really? I thought this one would, I was like looking forward to trying this one. It looks so good.
Sour.
It's sour? Should have waited till I took a big ass bite. It is sour. Why?
There's fruit in there. Nasty. She's raspberries.
Oh. Oh, sour. I don't know if I like that one either. I don't like sour. Ugh. Ugh.
I know, it's nasty.
Don't get that one. Get it if you like sour, but
If you like sour.
I don't like sour. That's too sour.
Okay, what do you rate these?
Actually, the brownie batter, I think I would rate. Yeah, that one was good. I'd rate this one like a 9 out of 10.
I'll rate it a 10 out of 10.
And then this is that drumstick one.
Yeah.
I don't know. I rate that one 7.
I'll rate it like an 8. It's kind of good.
Yeah, and the cotton candy.
Yeah. Probably a 10.
10.
pretty
Yeah,
good,
I
man.
say a 10 too. I say 10. That one cotton candy is good, and your kids
Yeah.
will love it.
Yeah, your kids would love it.
And
And this one is what?
the mint girl
Guide?
guide.
I don't know. Frickin' give that one a 3.
A 3? That's not nice. That's mean. A poor girl guide cookie. Why? 3?
Because I don't like it.
The heck, guys?
It tastes like dark chocolate to me.
It's minty, like Girl Guide cookies. It tastes like the mint Girl Guide cookies. I'm gonna give it like an 8.
Ew, really?
Yeah,
An 8?
it's good.
For that one?
Yeah.
Or that one? You picked what? 7 for that one?
No, I think I said 8. Didn't I?
Oh, maybe you did.
I don't know. Yeah, that's good.
This one, probably a 0.
0? I'm gonna be nice, and I'm gonna give you guys I'm gonna give you guys a 3 for that one.
3?
Yeah.
Ew. That one's a friggin'
Just
really
because-
big frickin' 0.
Just because it does have like the chunks of the chocolate or whatever is in it. Is it chocolate? Raspberry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
But I
in
just
there.
don't
Kinda
like the
weird.
sour likeness. But I'm still gonna be nice and give you guys a 3 for that.
Well, I give it a 0. The best one, I think.
Really
is the
sour.
cotton candy is the best one.
Yeah, we gave that one a 10 out of
The
10.
brownie's the second best.
Yeah. So go get yourself a Blizzard, a nice hot day,
Yeah.
and eat it right
Been
away
hot
because it's
recently here in Canada.
melting.
Like really hot recently.
Yeah, it's been really nice and hot here, man. Like 30 degrees, 31.
Yeah.
It's been nice. I love the summer. I'm a summer baby. I'm a summer baby.
Okay, well, if you guys like this video, comment down below, like, share, and subscribe.
Peace.